In this video, I want to share some cancer causing foods as well as foods which fight against the cancer. In our day-to-day life, we will eat so many foods without knowing their benefits, right? Do you know? Many of those foods cause cancer. Most of the people might be not known. Don't worry. In this video, I shared the cancer causing foods as well as cancer fighting foods which have been proven by research from WHO, World Health Organization and Cancer Research Center, UK. Let's see which type of food causes the cancer. The first one is processed such as frankfurter, hot dogs, ham, sausages, corned beef, beef jerky, and canned or lunch meat. These foods have carcinogenic properties. According to World Health Organization, there is a strong evidence that these foods causes two types of cancers, particularly colorectal cancer and stomach cancers. See, if you want to have these foods, there is an alternative for these foods. Those are white fish and white meat such as chicken, turkey and tofu. You can use these foods to get the same. Second processed food is red meat. The strongest link between red meat and cancer is colorectal cancer. There is strong evidence by Cancer Research Center UK. It also causes two types of other cancers. Those are pancreatic and prostate cancer. If you want to have the taste of red meat, the Cancer Council recommended a limited amount of the red meat, that is 65 to 100 grams of cooked red meat per week. This reduces the risk of cancer. There is an alternative for the red meat also there. Do you know? Those are many beans, pulses as occasional drink. Some of us more than others. Usually the medical advice is reduce your alcohol intake as little as possible. Thereby we can prevent the coronary heart diseases and heart strokes, right? See, these alcohol consumption also causes so many forms of cancer such as mouth, throat, esophagus, breast, liver, stomach and bowel cancer. These types of cancers are dose dependent. For example, if you take 1 glass of wine with dinner, it does not cause any negative effects as if you consume alcohol more units in one sitting. So reduce the consumption of alcohol as low as possible, thereby not only prevent the cancers, we can also prevent the heart strokes and heart diseases also. Next cancer causing food is salted fish. It is a Chinese style. So usually we use the salting is a traditional practice for preserving foods, not only fishes. We can also preserve the pickles also by adding more salts, right? This type of practice is usually takes place in Southeast Asia and China. Unfortunately, this process leads to carcinogenic producing byproducts. That means these byproducts produce the cancer in humans. Okay, so we have to stop the using salted fishes to reduce the cancer byproducts. Okay, alternatives for these salted fishes are fresh fishes, seafood such as prawns, mussels or squid. We can enjoy these foods instead of salted fish to reduce the cancer causing properties. Next cancer causing food is sugary drinks or non-diet soda. So if you consume sugary drinks regularly, it leads to weight gain. If you consume excess amount, it leads to the obesity. Obesity is the major risk factor for cancer. So we have to avoid the sugary drinks or non-diet soda. These drinks causes the gastric problems also. So we should not have these drinks. If you want to have, you have in less amounts, right? Next cancer causing food is fast food or processed foods such as pizza, burgers, rings, different types of chips, french fries, etc. If you consume these foods, it gives the body fatness. It is a major cause of many cancers. The World Cancer Research Fund recommends limiting fast foods or other processing foods high in fat, starches, and sugars. This helps in reducing the calorie intake, thereby maintain a healthy weight. So friends, now we have got an idea about which types of food causes different types of cancers. Mainly alcohol causes different forms of cancers. Okay, and processed food also causes the stomach cancer, colorectal cancer, and prostate cancer also. So avoid having those foods. My sincere advice is, please make food at home and enjoy the taste. It is good for health also. Why? Because we don't know what preservatives and what chemicals they will add during the preparation of those foods. So better made at home and enjoy the taste. Okay. So friends, I hope you like the video. This video might be very useful to you. As I said at the beginning, I also explained the foods which fight against cancer. But if I continue, the video length will be longer. So I would like to stop the video till this. Okay. In next video, I will share the foods which fight against the cancer. Okay. Thank you friends for watching the video. Take care. Bye bye.